Hello, Miss. My name is Fatima Nabila. My ID number is 33210063 and from class 336007. Sociolinguistic Project 2. Context. Context generally refers to the circumstance or setting in which something occurs. It provides the background or framework that helps to clarify meaning in various contexts. The interpretation of words, action, or events can change significance. Here are a few key points about context. 1. Types of context. 1. Textual context refers to the words and sentences that surround a particular word of passage, helping to clarify its meaning. 2. Social context includes the cultural, historical, and societal factors that shape how individuals perceive and interpret information. 3. Environmental context describes the physical surroundings or situation in which something happens. 4. Temporal context relates to the time period in which an event occurs, influencing its significance and interpretation. Importance of context. Clarity and understanding context provide necessary information to understand the meaning of words, action, or events correctly. Interpretation. Different contexts can lead to different interpretation of the same information. Conflict resolution. Understanding the context helps in resolving conflict or misunderstanding by providing a fuller picture of the situation. Example of context in different situations. Language. The meaning of a word like bank, financial institution versus riverbank depends on the context in which is used. Behavior. A person's action can be understood differently depending on the social or cultural context in which they occur. History. Events or decisions may have different meanings or significance when viewed in their historical context compared to a contemporary perspective. Context in communication. Verbal communication. Understanding the context helps listeners interpret the speaker's intended meaning more accurately. Nonverbal communication. Body language and gestures gain meaning through the context in which they are observed. Written communication. Context helps readers grasp the full meaning of written text by providing clues about the author's perspective and purpose. In summary, context is crucial for understanding meaning in communication, behavior, and historical events. It enriches our understanding by providing background information that shapes how we interpret and respond to the world around us. Locution. Locution can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is as linguistic meaning. In linguistic, locution refers to a particular word or expression used in speech or writing. It can denote a specific phrase or utterance that has a conventional meaning within language. Stylistic or rhetorical meaning. In literary or rhetorical analysis, locution can refer to the style or manner of expression used by a writer or speaker. It encompasses the choice of words, phrases, and overall linguistic style employed to convey meaning or evoke a certain effect. Philosophical and psychological meaning. In philosophical and psychological discourse, locution may refer to the act of speaking or the process of expressing oneself verbally. It can also pertain to the way in which language. In a broad sense, locution refers to the act of process of speaking or uttering words. It can also specifically refer to a particular word, phrase, or expression used in speech or writing. Here are a few aspects to consider when discussing locution. 1. Linguistic perspective. Lexical locution refers to specific words or vocabulary used in communication. This includes the choice of words and how they convey meaning. Phrasal locution involves the use of phrases or idiomatic expressions that have established meaning within a language or culture. Stylistic and rhetorical consideration. Stylistic locution focus on how language is used to create a particular style or tone in writing or speech. Rhetorical locution examines how words and phrases are strategically employed to persuade, impress, or evoke certain emotion or response from an audience. Semantic and pragmatic dimension. Semantic locution concerns the meaning of words or expression in different contexts and how they contribute to understanding and interpretation. Pragmatic locution consider the practical use of language in everyday communication, taking into account the intention and effects of verbal expression. And the last part, philosophical and psychological insight. Philosophical locution explores language as a tool for expressing thought, knowledge, and reality. Psychological locution analyzes how language use reflects cognitive process, emotion, and social interaction. In summary, locution encompasses the diverse ways in which language is used and understood across various disciplines and contexts. It involves not only the words and phrases themselves, but also their detailed implication in terms of meaning, style, persuasion, and human interaction. Thank you.